Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into our video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can see the deleted messages on Google Messages. First of all, go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Google Messages. Open up the application. If there is an update available, please update your application first. And after that, open it up. Once you open it up, as you can see, there are a bunch of messages. And if I want to see the deleted messages, what I can do is go to your mobile settings. After that, go to notification and status bar. Click on app notification from here and search for Google Messages. First of all, go for Google. Make sure that your Google has turned on the notification. Once the messages notification is turned on and your mobile is not on airplane mode, all of your notifications will be saved. As you can see right here from the Google Messages, all of the notifications are saved. If they delete this their messages, I will still be able to see these messages. From here you can easily just go and see all of your deleted messages. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.